Cold world, cold world. Let's check it out. Got these Nike Dunk Low. Ivory and Hyper Royal. Let's check that out real quick. I like these junks.